welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Goodness. If this is your first time watching my channel, first of all, thank you for clicking on this video and just welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below for you, girl, because we are on our way to 500 subscribers, at least 500 subscribers. And you know, any little thing helps, like a like, a share, a comment, a thumbs up, anything. I just want to thank Zeelool for sponsoring this video. Before we get into show you guys the glasses that Zeelool provides on their website, I just want to like give you guys a little background story or background stuff about Zeelool. So Zeelool sells a lot of glasses. They have sunglasses, prescribed glasses. If you're just like me, that's always on her screen or on your laptop or even on a camera, just to prevent your eyes from all the things that, you know, the computer could give to your eyes. But just to protect your eye, I usually wear like UV glasses, and I love Zeelool, not just because they're sponsoring this video, but really truly, like, I do love the brand. So shout out to the brand again. Of course, I'm going to get you guys a discount code, like, come on. But if you want to shop with Zeelool, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below, as well as my code, so you guys can get some change off when you're purchasing with Zeelool. So let's get right into this video, because I have not opened up this package. Well, I've opened it, but I haven't really like put it on, because I really want to give you my first reaction when I see these glasses and just how they look on me. So I don't know if I'm gonna know how to pronounce these names right, so I'm just gonna put them in the description down below and also put them on the screen. So let's get right into this video. So this is what they sent me, and each glass comes with like its own dust bag, individual dust bags. Inside the box they also have like its very own cleaning things, like cleaners to clean up the glasses. So you know, you can usually just take one with each glass and just wipe off the screen. And also they have like its own ruler and measuring type of thing to measure your glasses, to help with the whole process of ordering stuff online. Like, when I tell you the process of ordering stuff is so smooth, they have great customer service, and you can pick any style of glasses. So any of the glasses I'm about to show you, if you like the style but you don't like the color, they have their own customized like color, or like you can also find other colors within the style that you like. But they make the whole process so nice. All these glasses you guys are going to see, they are blue light blocking, so making sure that when I wear these glasses, when I'm on my computer, meetings, filming, whatever, and I'm always on the screen, like, they really help with the blue light blocking, so nothing messes up my eyes. Like, they really take care of you at Zeelool. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. So as you can already tell that I still have the clear thing on the glasses. One is the Javon. Let me even not try to pronounce these names, because I don't even know how to pronounce some of these names. I'm gonna put the name on the screen and obviously put it in the description box. So let's try on these glasses. Oh my gosh, I really love glasses. Like, if you don't have glasses to elevate your outfit, what are you doing? Oh my goodness, these are really nice and really fire. It's giving me like librarian. It's giving me like, you know, I'm a schoolgirl. Like, what? These glasses are so cute. I'm actually really surprised that you can kind of still see my eyebrows, because most times when I have these type of glasses on, they be covering my eyebrows like this. But I just love how it's just very sleek. It goes well with my hair. I already know the type of outfit I'm gonna be pairing this with, like something really chill, maybe like jeans and like a top, or like a jean jacket, like something with that sort. Something just sleek, clean. If I wanted to tie my hair back, it still gives what it needs to give. Like, okay, Zeelool, I see y'all see these. They eating. I believe the name of this one is Harold. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad not pronouncing these, but they have like these cheetah looking print on the sides, and it's like green. Let me take this off so y'all can really see these glasses. But it's like green. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like green, and then it got like the cheetah print on the side. I find this like really cute, especially if you're going for like a 90s type vibe. I feel like these are like 90s type of glasses. So I can't wait to pair these. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you can see how I pair these glasses. But like, what? Fire. Y'all see this? Come a little closer. What? Don't you love when you just have nice pair of glasses? You're just like, oh yeah, these eats every time, because it's still giving me classy. It's giving me like Cheetah girls. It's giving me, cause we are sisters. Ooh. That wasn't given. All these glasses are very much affordable. Love the detail. Like, pay attention to the detail. Ooh. All right, so this is similar to the Hero one that we just seen. This is another version. I'm obsessed with Cheetah. I don't know what it is. Have a cheetah print on the top and on the bottom is blue. Come on, let's get into these details though. Like, what? Are you kidding me? No, these are fire. All you can kind of like see is just the bottom of these glasses. Like, you know what I mean? Like, the only color that you can see of these glasses are the blue ones. Like, I feel like that's so fire. And on top of that, it kind of looks like it's black on the top, but it's not black on the top. How it just like, you can see my eyebrows. It compliments me. Like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna take some of those selfies with these because these are cute. These glasses, I was like, I don't really know if I'm a big fan of them because they give me out the country type of vibe, but the more and more I keep staring at them, like staring at this particular glasses, this one is the Noretta. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce these names, but I put the name on the, on the screen. But these, look at this. Hold on, this is so cute. I just love how you can really pair this with multiple things. Like, it got yellow on it, it has blue, all types of blue, pink, orange, purple, like whatever color you have on. I feel like these glasses are like the perfect glasses. They're very comfortable. Like, I don't know about you, but when I try on other pairs of glasses, I feel like my ears start to hurt or something is hurting. But these glasses, you could wear them all day, every day. Like, let me come a little closer because what? No, these are really cute. I can't wait to style these because I have the perfect outfit for these. But when I do a haul on this channel, you're going to be seeing me mix and matching these glasses because these are fire. If I was you, I'll get you a pair of these. Like, now. This one, I just love sleek, chill type of glasses. Like, but for most of them, they're like very sleek and clear. This is an olive green type of vibe. Yeah. Introducing Tamika. Yeah, Tamika. I also really like just how it's very subtle. Like, if you come really close and you see me in person, you're gonna be like, are these black or are these olive green? Because, yeah. But this is Tamika. And it also has like this little space right here that I thought it was cute. You know, it's not your regular type of glasses that you just put on. But this has a little something. It's about the detail with Zeelool that I love. Like, most of their glasses, there's just something about it that just, Quality of these glasses are really nice. They're not heavy. They're a bit like lightweight. And this is the last one. So, I'm a sucker for all black type of glasses, and these glasses I can wear with no makeup. I don't have to put on makeup. Like, you know what I mean? Like, when you just want to hurry up and get out the house, but you still want to give and look like you put a little effort in your outfit, this is your girl. This glass is called Dexter. Like, I feel like I'm like Junie B. Jong or Junie B. I forgot the name, but you know what I mean. Like, these glasses are really nice. I just love the fact that I could really just wear this and still look at my computer, look at my screen, and it would not affect my eyes because that's what I put in my glasses. But if you guys are shopping on Zeelool, you guys can put your prescription glasses on them. You guys can customize it the way you want to customize, and they have great customer service to kind of like walk you through the whole thing, so you're not gonna struggle. I have tried all 6 pair. of these glasses and I am in love with them. I decided to put back my favorite glasses. To just close up this video, I just want to say thank you so much to Zeelool and the family. I already followed me on Instagram just to see how I'm going to style them, pair them, how I take pictures with them. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you are up to date with everything. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out Zeelool, and don't forget, if this is your first time or if it's not your first time shopping in Zeelool, make sure you use my coupon code. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.